In this particular program, we are going to take age as input and check if the person is eligible to vote or not. As we know, in India, if a person is 18 or greater than equal to 18, then he or she is eligible to vote according to Universal Adult Franchise. So here we need to take age as input, and that would be in int. So typecasting into int and prompting the user to give input. So enter age. After that, we need to do some process, and that is checking for condition. So using the if clause, if age is greater than equal to 18, then we need to print that you are eligible to vote. So if the condition is true, eligible will be printed. Similarly, if you are not greater than equal to 18, you are definitely less than 18. So in that case, the print statement should print that you are ineligible. Saving the program with some name as voting.py and saving it. Now running the program. So let us say if the age is 19, you will be eligible. Now again running the program and checking for less than 18, let us say 13, you are ineligible. Now let us check for border condition, that is 18, that is eligible. If you are 18, you are eligible.